Good Tuesday morning to you. This is the VELCO Weather Hazards Heads Up for Tuesday, May the 19th. For this afternoon, roughly mid-afternoon into the early evening hours, we're anticipating the formation of thunderstorms and tapping into stronger wind fields. Some of the thunderstorms have the capability of producing tree limb damage on a widely scattered level in terms of aerial coverage. And a cold front will be triggering these showers and thunderstorms, along with some stronger winds aloft. The atmosphere appears to be set up for destabilization. We have an area here where we're going to see a fair amount of sunshine. This is going to work in here a little bit later on this morning and into the early to mid part of the afternoon before a blossoming of showers and thunderstorms to be expected. It looks like northern two-thirds of Vermont will be probably hit the hardest, as we'll see some strong thunderstorms begin to work in and develop. And as you can see here, are showing dew point temperatures, and we have plenty of sufficient dew point temperatures upstream here. This is the 700 millibar winds, and the winds are going to be increasing, and you can see the winds here in the red arrows much stronger. This is also going to be translating at a time when the air mass destabilizes, and it'll tap into these stronger winds and likely bring some of these winds down to the surface. So we are looking at potentially some strong thunderstorms here, and maybe even reaching severe criteria. We're also seeing the pretty classic case of morning rain showers moving out of the region. Things will then dry up. We're already starting to see a little bit of a convective available potential energy here with these areas of blue. And of course, the frontal system is, this is kind of a prefrontal trough right here. And the frontal system is up to the north of us, and this is going to be sliding in during the overnight period. In-car ensemble, this is from the storms from last night that kind of diminished as they headed east. But the regeneration takes place roughly, it looks like early this afternoon, the northwest corner of the state, up in the northern Champlain Islands region. And this will be the case, and then blossom along a line that will take it through mainly north central Vermont, the Northeast Kingdom. Also watching some thunderstorm activity predicted by NCAR ensemble model here to the south of us. But I think the main area is going to be to the north of us. That's where the strongest wind fields will be, along with marginally strong gusty winds. We're also looking at some pretty good lightning aspect here with greater than 100 cloud-to-ground strokes moving through. You can see it blossoms and then begins to diminish as it moves into New Hampshire. And the SREF model also shows, this is the severe weather aspect. It looks like the worst up near the Canadian border areas into Quebec. But this definitely moves through Vermont, and roughly by around 5 o'clock or between 5 and 8 p.m., things begin to diminish and fall apart. So there's the departing rain showers this morning, and the HRRR model is picking up on the same aspects here with thunderstorms developing as early as maybe 1 or 2 o'clock this afternoon. Then that translates across Vermont in widely scattered nature and moves on out of the state by the time we get towards 7 o'clock. Roger Hill, Wuthering Heights.